Hi, it's James Cha, CPA, Certified Tax Resolution Specialist, a founder of ACE Plus Tax Resolution. I have an urgent alert about significant tax enforcement changes coming in 2024 that could impact millions of Americans. You need to hear this if you have any unfiled tax returns or IRS unpaid taxes. In 2024, the IRS is finally getting more money, and staff to crack down hard on people who owe taxes. The numbers are huge. They sent over 125,000 notices just for unfiled returns from 2017 to 2022 alone. If you've been ignoring scary IRS letters, that's about to change in a major way. For years, the overwhelmed IRS didn't have enough power to properly enforce tax laws and collect unpaid taxes due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But that temporary break is ending in 2024, as they are finally getting a huge cash boost. Thanks to $80 billion in new funding, the IRS is hiring a massive number of new enforcement staff. This cash allows them to increase their workforce for audits, collections, criminal investigations, and more, with the goal of getting back to pre-pandemic staffing levels to start. They are aiming for a 55% increase in auditors in 2024 alone. While high-income taxpayers are certainly a key focus, the IRS plans to go after people who owe taxes at all income levels with this big enforcement ramp-up. As the IRS steadily increases collections in 2024 and beyond, they will inevitably contact millions of taxpayers across all income brackets. As of 2024, the IRS is cracking down hard by sending out a wave of new collection notices. They're using letter LT38 to alert taxpayers about upcoming demands for payment and notices about unfiled returns. If you have unpaid taxes or missing returns, expect to see these notices soon. LT38 warns of your unpaid debt and that the IRS starts sending out delinquency notices again. It also informs of automatic penalty relief for 2021 balances under $100,000, C59 for unfiled returns. Respond with Form 5103 explaining why you didn't file, or the IRS may assess extra tax through a substitute return. CP2219N Proposed Tax Assessment for Unfiled Returns. You have 90 days to file, appeal, or agree. CP504 Final Balance Due. Reminder. IRS intends to seize your property or rights to property, including state refunds, wages, bank accounts, and other assets for unpaid taxes. If you have any unfiled returns or unpaid tax balances from recent years, you can expect the bigger IRS to start calling soon, demanding payment. If you keep ignoring their letters, it will only lead to increasing penalties, interest charges, and aggressive collection actions like liens, garnish wages, and seize bank accounts down the road. I know this wave of increased IRS enforcement sounds really scary, but don't panic. There are still options to properly resolve your tax issues and get compliant even if you can't pay your full debt right away. However, trying to deal with this complicated process alone is unwise for most taxpayers given how aggressive the IRS collections will be starting in 2024. Your best path is hiring an experienced tax professional or tax relief firm. These experts can fully evaluate your situation, understand all delinquencies you owe, determine the best resolution options for your circumstances, and negotiate directly with the IRS on your behalf for a much better outcome than going it alone. With the IRS cracking down hard in 2024 after years of being understaffed, now is the time to get ahead of any tax issues before those dreaded notices arrive. Don't bury your head in the sand and risk devastating levies, liens, penalties, or passport problems. Take control by getting professional tax assistance to handle any back taxes, audits, unfiled returns, or other delinquencies properly and minimize the damage no matter your earned income. If you have any personal tax stories, questions, or just thoughts on this situation, share them below. And if this alert was helpful, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss any future updates from me on taxes and finances. For more details, click the link below to an AP News press release where I contributed my insights on this topic. Thanks for watching.
Our certified tax resolution specialist at ACE Plus Tax Resolution has more than 30 years of experience in dealing with the IRS. Our firm helps individual and business taxpayers resolve their tax problems with the IRS and 50 states through custom-fit solutions. So we can help you wherever you are in the US. If you have any tax problems, please contact us. Our information is below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to our channel down below so you don't miss our timely videos with valuable information and advice.